Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg has been admitted to a hospital for treatment of a possible infection, according to a statement from the High Court's Public Information Officer. Ginsburg, 87, was hospitalized at Johns Hopkins in Baltimore on Tuesday morning and is now resting comfortably, the statement said. SHE will remain in the hospital for a few days for antibiotic treatment. The court spokesperson said that Ginsburg underwent an endoscopic procedure to clean out a bile duct stent that she had implanted last year. Ginsburg, a staunchly liberal vote on the court, was first evaluated at Sibley Memorial Hospital in Washington, D.C. on Monday night, after experiencing fever and chills. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, seen last September, has been admitted to a hospital for treatment of a possible infection. According to a statement, it marks the latest health scare for Ginsburg, the court's oldest justice, who in November 2018 fractured 3 ribs after a fall in her office. Scans at the time revealed cancerous nodules in her lungs, and she underwent a left lung lobectomy to remove the nodules. Then in August 2019, the Supreme Court announced that Ginsburg had recently completed 3 weeks of focused radiation treatment to ablate a tumor found in her pancreas over the summer. Ginsburg reported that she was cancer-free in January of this year. In May, she underwent non-surgical treatment for a gallstone that had caused an infection. Although the Supreme Court's summer recess officially began last week, the justices worked into the wee hours of Tuesday, considering a request by the federal government to allow federal executions to resume after a 17-year hiatus. Ginsburg, second from right, is a staunchly liberal vote on the 9-member court. The court issued its 5-4 ruling, allowing federal executions to resume at approximately 2 a.m. Tuesday. Ginsburg joined dissents by Justices Stephen Breyer and Sonia Sotomayor. Following the ruling, the federal government on Tuesday executed Daniel Lewis Lee, who was convicted of murdering an Arkansas family in a 1990s plot to build a whites-only nation in the Pacific Northwest. The government is scheduled to execute 2 more men this week, including Leslie Ira Perkey on Wednesday, for the killing of a Kansas City teenager in 1998. Legal experts say the 68-year-old Perkey, who suffers from dementia, has a greater chance of avoiding execution because of his mental state. Media has been fetched,